There's a new AI side hustle where people are reportedly making $2,500 a day by creating and posting faceless videos. They're using tools like Canva, which they can access for free, and combining these videos with digital products. It's surprising that more people aren't talking about this, considering their potential. Some are pulling in thousands of dollars daily within their first week. Here's the process. They start by using a prompt on ChatGPT to create a quiz. Then they use pre-made Canva templates to complete the trivia quiz quickly. Afterward, they post their videos across 7 different platforms, earning money from ads, digital products, and other resources. The best part is that this can be done from anywhere in the world. Initially, I was doubtful and thought it sounded too good to be true, so I decided to try it myself. In this step-by-step guide, I'll explain exactly how this AI side hustle operates and how you can get started immediately. However, remember that just because others are making $2,500 a day doesn't mean you will, at least not right away. Building a business is challenging and takes time. So let's dive in and explore this further. There are several accounts out there earning thousands of dollars daily through this method. For instance, in the last 24 hours, one person made 3.9K from a digital product and another made 4.6K in a single day, with their daily earnings reaching about $7,500. You can see similar figures like 2.7K, 3.2K, and 2.4K earned in the last 24 hours. Over the past 30 days, some have made $100,000 to $109,000. These numbers are impressive, and I've also seen substantial earnings from trivia quizzes, commissions using an app that I'll reveal shortly, which is also free to use. We'll be utilizing 7 different platforms, but I'll highlight 3 as examples. The first platform involves posting trivia quizzes, and one account has already amassed 1.3 million followers on Instagram. The quizzes are incredibly simple. A video plays in the background, a question is posted, there's a countdown, and then the correct answer is revealed. These videos can sometimes garner millions of views. The same strategy is working on Pinterest, where users are achieving similar success, and it's also effective on TikTok, with one account already having 200,000 followers. Some of these videos have reached up to 12 million views, with others like Quiz Extreme hitting 13 or even 14 million views. They have 1.6 million followers, and one way they monetize these TikTok videos is through their Creator Rewards program, which can pay over $2 per 1,000 views. However, to qualify, you need at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views. In the past 30 days, some accounts have managed to reach these milestones in under a week, but if you want to accelerate the process, you can get monetized on TikTok immediately from any country, even if the program isn't officially available where you live, by visiting dave.com and checking out TikTok monetization, which I'll link in the description. You can start earning from your TikTok account right away. There are also other ways to make money with these quizzes. For instance, you could create and sell digital products or build an online community on a platform like School, where some individuals are making up to $100,000 a month. Some people in these digital communities are earning $2,000 in just 24 hours. I also run my own community where I charge $199 per month with around 300 members. So you can imagine the earnings potential there. For example, I asked ChatGPT what kind of online community I could offer if I had a social media account focused on posting trivia quizzes, and it provided several ideas. One suggestion was to host exclusive trivia tournaments where if I had 1,000 members, each paying $10 a month, that could bring in $10,000 a month. In these tournaments, participants who answered all the questions correctly could win prizes like $2,000, meaning I'd be giving away 20% of the income, but still creating a valuable community. This could be a highly effective way to generate income while keeping the community engaged. To build your own community on a platform like the school, you simply click to create a new community, name it, and enter a card number. You can start with a free 14-day trial, and if you don't earn anything within that period, you can cancel before being charged, ensuring no money is wasted. Alternatively, you could explore other options to monetize your community. You can also use a free app called TapMob, which offers a variety of CPA opportunities. CPA means that you get paid when people complete a specific action, like submitting their email address. For example, you might promote an offer where people can enter to win a $500 Lego voucher, and for every email you collect, you earn $8. To utilize this, you could find an offer to promote, like a gift card, and then use your social media accounts where you're posting trivia quizzes to attract people to it. For instance, you could offer a Dunkin' Donuts gift card and get paid $8 for each email submitted. You can easily copy the link to the offer and start promoting it. This method has worked for me, and I've made over $4,500 using it. While it might not seem like a huge amount, it is still substantial considering you're not actually selling anything directly. To create these quizzes, you can use tools like CLO AI, which is a free AI tool, or ChatGPT. Simply ask it to generate 10 questions on a topic of your choice, like history, for example, and you'll have your content ready to create engaging trivia quizzes. It's important not to use overly simple questions. Instead, include intermediate level questions to keep participants interested. Once you have got your questions, you can head over to Canva and search for quiz templates. There are many options available that you can easily customize. For example, you might find a template you like. Click on Customize this template on the right hand side and start personalizing it. You can double click on any text or answer to modify them according to your quiz content. To create one of my quizzes, I first went to ChatGPT, copied a question, and then returned to Canva. There, I duplicated a section of the template, pasted the question, and then added the possible answers. It's as simple as copying the content from ChatGPT and pasting it into your Canva template. When you need to highlight the correct answer, you can do so with a quick double click to make the necessary changes. This process makes creating quizzes both efficient and straightforward. Once you have created your questions, you will need to format them properly in Canva. After duplicating the page with your template, check what the correct answer is. Let's say it's option B, the second one. You'll repeat this process for all the questions you have generated, adjusting the template to reflect the correct and incorrect answers. To keep your quiz engaging, I suggest shortening the display time for each question for about 2.5 seconds so it doesn't drag on too long. You can also customize the background, fonts, and colors to match your theme. Importantly, if you're aiming to monetize through TikTok's creator program, make sure your video is over 60 seconds long. Since 3 questions only cover about 20 to 30 seconds, you'll need to keep adding and duplicating pages until your video reaches the required length. As you watch the final video, you'll notice it flows well, with the quiz questions, correct and incorrect answers, and even prompts for the next question. For example, if a question asks who the first emperor of the Roman Empire was, and you choose the second option, you'll see whether you were right or wrong, adding an interactive element to the quiz. Additionally, you might want to include a countdown timer for each question, which can be easily added using Canva's available tools. You can also refine the visuals of your quiz by selecting a countdown timer and even removing the background to give it a cleaner look. Once you have chosen your countdown, trim it to fit within the 5 seconds window you need, then click Done. When you preview the quiz, you will see the countdown timer in action. As it reaches 0, the correct answer is revealed before moving on to the next question, engaging the interactive experience. Enhancing the interactive experience. After finishing your quiz, click Share, then Download. Ensure all pages are selected and choose MP4 as the file format before downloading your video. To monetize these quizzes, one approach is to post them on Pinterest. Go to the Pinterest account, click Create, and upload your video. Once the video is uploaded, you can add a title and include a link to something you're promoting, like your online community, where you host tournaments. This way, you can direct traffic from Pinterest to your other revenue generation platforms. Whether you're promoting quizzes, a tap-up offer that pays per email, your own website, or a blog, it's crucial to drive traffic to a platform that can be monetized. Posting your quiz videos on TikTok is another option, where you can earn from views and also from clicks on a link in your bio, which you can add for free. With TikTok's potential for viral reach, some videos can gather millions of views if executed well. If you want to change the background of your quiz video, Canva makes it simple. On the left-hand side, you can search for video related to your quiz topic, such as the Roman Empire, and use them as your background. You can either leave the video as it is or remove the colors and drag the video to the back, so the quiz is visible in the foreground. However, using a single color background might be more visually appealing, though it's worth experimenting to see what works best for your content. Feel free to experiment with different backgrounds and styles to see what works best for your quizzes. All the video options on the left-hand side in Canva are available for free, so you can test various approaches. If you're interested in learning more about how I earn money online through faceless YouTube automation channels, you can watch a dedicated step-by-step tutorial. Guys, thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.